I'll show you how to schedule Instagram carousels on the mobile app and on the computer. Go ahead and click the Instagram app and select the create button on the upper left. Now, Instagram carousel can be between 2 and 10 photos. So go ahead and select all the photos you want. Note the order that you put them in is the order they're going to be loaded into Instagram. So now you can see that we have one introductory slide, and then we have 5 different steps of how to grow a brand this summer. This is what our carousel is about. Now underneath, of course, you're going to want to upload your caption. So go ahead and type your caption in here. Note, once your caption is done, you have all these other features that you can add for your scheduled post. So one is music, of course. We want to go through and select some music. Nice. Then once music is selected, we want to go through and make sure to tag ourselves. Let's go ahead and tag people. Let's do that here. Awesome. Then for location, we can add that. So let's go ahead and add our location for Salt Lake City. And then underneath, you have a couple important things here. One is the time that you want to schedule your post. So go ahead and toggle this button on. Now note, when you toggle a scheduling post on for Instagram, you can't tag products and you can't tag branded features. You only can tag other accounts. So let's go ahead and schedule the post. So we'll schedule for later today at 5:55. Note, on Instagram, you can only go through and schedule them in notations of 5. So 0, 5, 10, all the way up to 55 essentially. Then underneath, you have the option to turn off comments. You can turn off likes. You can also turn off how many shares that you've had, but of course we want to let those things open. And then you have the option to post on Facebook, but let's go ahead and turn that off, and then let's go ahead and schedule the post. Now, awesome. Now, if you want to schedule from your computer, you're going to have to use a third-party tool. Instagram doesn't allow you to schedule posts on their website on your computer. You have to use some type of integration. I found a nice little workaround. There's a free tool named Virally. The link's in the description. What I use Virally for is to schedule all my carousels. And I use this across all my different platforms here on the left, but I'm just going to show you my carousels for Instagram that come out on Monday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So you'll see here for Thursday, I don't have one scheduled for the last day of the month. So I actually want to go through and show you how easy it is to schedule one. Now note, Virally does allow you to do everything that you can do on the app and everything that allows you to do on other post schedulers, but it doesn't allow you to add music. Right now, I don't know of any post scheduler that allows you to add music the way you can on the app. So let's go ahead and select this here. At the top, you're going to be able to see all of our connected social media accounts. So let's go ahead and select Instagram, of course. And if you're finding value out of this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really enables me to make more videos like this one in the future. And I hope you found value out of that first part and find so much value out of the second part. So once Instagram is selected, of course, we're going to want to go and upload the photos for our carousel. So go ahead and select upload attachments. We're going to go ahead and select these in order, and note, same thing. If they're loaded in order, they're presented on that app in that order, and you can see a preview right here on the right side just by selecting through and seeing the 5 different tips that we're putting in our carousel. And then of course we want to upload our caption. So I'm going to put the same caption that we had before, but I'm going to fast forward this part for you real quick. Underneath, something important to note is you can add emojis right within the tool. So for instance, let's go ahead and select the emoji button here, and let's search for what we want to add. So I'm actually going to put a phone because I'm saying, like, let me know your thoughts, and then we'll add the phone afterwards. The other thing that's really cool that I personally use is the hashtags. So anytime I post a carousel on Instagram, I use the same 3 hashtags: share your thoughts, community, and small business. I have those saved in here so I don't have to remember them. So I can just go ahead and select that whole bucket, select use hashtags. Then those hashtags are added to my post. Now, the other thing that we want to do is add a first comment. A first comment is also available in the app. It's called prompt. But what a first comment does is it encourages your audience to go to the comments and interact. And if more people are interacting in the comments, it shows the algorithm that more people are engaging with your content. So I like to put a note in the description, like, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And then in the comments, put a thought-provoking question, maybe a couple. So let's go ahead and put, was this helpful? What type of brand would you like to start? What's your biggest hobby? And now when people go there and interact with the post, you can go ahead and get more engagement on your post, of course. Then underneath, you have all the different same options, so we can go ahead and tag an account. So let's go ahead and tag ourselves real quick. Awesome, this was added. You can do the same thing for collaborators, and you can tag to only a specific slide in the photo if you care to. Then for location, we're based out of Salt Lake City, so we're gonna go ahead and put that here. One thing to note is this is a little bit bulkier, but it does make it easier to choose the exact location since you can pull up the map view and choose it right from here. Now, the one reason I do like to use a post scheduler rather than doing it in the generic app is if you just do it in the app, it only goes out to Instagram. But if you use a third-party tool, you can use that same content in a couple different spots. spots. If I also wanted to post this on LinkedIn, I would select LinkedIn here. I can also go through and select TikTok, and now this carousel will post on TikTok, and I can select Facebook, and now this carousel is automatically going to go out in 4 spots instead of 1. Now for this video, let's go ahead and toggle those off since you did come here just to see how to schedule posts on Instagram, of course. So let's go ahead and schedule a post. So underneath, you can select the time. What I recommend doing is never post for anything that is in an increment of 5 because it looks like it was scheduled. Like that's how they're scheduled on the app, right? So what I like to do is all of our Thursday posts come out around 12. So what I like to do is select 12. And then what we can do is let's do 12:06. We'll put PM, go ahead and press OK. And now this doesn't look like something that was intentionally scheduled because we did have to do this little third-party workaround. The last thing that you want to do is schedule the post. So you can either select schedule post, or you can go ahead and save this as a draft, or you can go ahead and publish it now. So let's go ahead and just say schedule post. And then it's important for me that you know what this actually looks like when it's posted on the platform and that it works. So what we're going to do is select this one and just select publish now. You're going to see it goes through and loads. And then when it's published, Virally has a link that will navigate you straight to that post. So we're going to go ahead and select view post. And once we select view post, you can see that the post is added here. It all came through in a good quality. It's not pixelated or anything. You can go down and see that our account has been tagged and it tagged it in the correct spot. Then you can see our description, of course. The emoji pulled through well, which is really important. Sometimes they don't always pull through well on post schedulers, so I'm glad that worked here. And then all of our hashtags for our posts, and most importantly, the first comment, was this helpful? Let's go ahead and engage with it just to get the party started. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and check out this video on how to schedule more posts or how to make a digital business card. There are most 2 popular videos on the channel. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon, friends.